Today, we are going to be discussing the Burlington's IELTS General Volume 1, Test 3, the Writing Task 2, Positive or Negative Development. An increasing number of people want to buy clothes, shoes, and other items produced by famous international brands. Why is this? And do you think that this is a positive or a negative development? Now this 40-minute, 250-word essay can be written in 4 paragraphs. In the introduction, describe the topic. In para 1, discuss why people want to buy items produced by brands. In para 2, discuss if this is a positive or a negative development. And finally, summarize the essay. The following slides will show how this essay can be written. Do note the linking words in red and vocabulary in blue. Now in the introduction, describe the topic. In the current times, more and more people are attracted towards buying clothing and personal items that are marketed by well-known international brands. Now through this essay, I will discuss the reason for this trend and why this situation is a positive as well as negative development. In para 1, discuss why people want to buy items produced by brands. Clothes, shoes, accessories, and articles of personal use require to be durable and to be made of good quality materials. And this is why consumers buy such products that are labeled by companies that are internationally known to have a good reputation. Moreover, the quality standards that these companies maintain have a positive impact on the quality of the goods that are sold by domestic brands. Now in para 2, discuss if this is a positive or a negative development. Now this situation has a positive as well as a negative aspect associated to it. On one hand, a positive thing is that as people become more and more demanding on the quality as well as designing of the products that they use, all companies, whether international or domestic, have to maintain very stringent production standards. Also, consumers get to see new or renewed products on the shelves of retailers much sooner than in the past. On the other hand, the negative fallout of this situation, however, is that the price of such products may creep up over time, thus resulting in affordability issues for consumers. And finally, summarize the essay. Thus, for many reasons, it can be seen that the demand for goods labeled and branded by international personal products manufacturers is on the rise, and this is a positive and as well as a negative development. The next slide will show the entire essay. You can pause to read at your own pace. Thank you for watching.